$20-something on Amazon. I'd say it's pretty good now. All the burrs. See all those burrs? There's always like some kind of, here, see if I, little burrs after you. And this is where I already put the screws in the bottom. That's where I'm going to put the felt bottom. So I like to make this. Same with around him. There was a ton of little burrs from cutting. It's usually only on one side. It's currently like 7:20 in the morning. The only way I can get my project done is if I wake up early on my days off. And since I have the next 2 weeks off for Christmas break, my work is actually like really good about Christmas break and the New Year's. It's cool. They'll give us a couple of days paid. The rest we have to use like personal time. But it's cool because next year I'll have 2 weeks vacation, plus you get 4 hours of personal time every month. So I'll be able to. I put a day and a half into December, and once I get into next year, I'll be able to take a couple of days. I don't want to use too many days, but I'll use a couple of days in July. That way, and I don't plan on taking a vacation next year because my girl and the kids are taking their own vacation with yeah, they're taking their own vacation. Yeah, I'm gonna hang back for. Only because it's her oldest, they're not mine. And their grandpa would like to take them to Orlando Studios. And where I was offered to go, I said that I would rather just, maybe have the week to myself, let them go and have fun, and I'll probably just end up working on another project throughout that week because I'll have like all this time to myself. That's in the spring. So since they're taking a vacation, I don't have to worry about taking a vacation. Their grandfather doesn't get to do much with them. I was offered to go, by the way. So it's like, I don't think anything's funny is going on at all. I have trust in my girl. You have trust until you don't, right? I'm just trying to flatten out these edges. I'm gonna have to take hand sand a couple of nooks in there. Yeah, when it comes to a relationship, in my eyes, give them trust until you can't give them trust, and then if you can't give them trust, bail. But my girl's been through the ringer when it comes to guys, and she's really down to earth, real humble, I have no reason not to be able to trust her. He says it in Dawn of the Dead, the new one. I love zombie movies. But in the newer Dawn of the Dead, the one character, he's like, he's trying to get the keys off of him to get into something. And he's like, trust, primary ingredient in any relationship. And it's 100% true, man. Like, trust. If you can't trust your friends, if you can't trust your brother, if you can't trust your parents, if you can't trust your girl, you have no relationship. You know what I'm saying? Or you have a really bad relationship. Like, alright, I'll talk to you, but I don't care to hang out with you, you know? Like, I'll call you on rare occasions, because I don't have trust in you. I have zero trust. You know, the second you lose somebody's trust is the second it's over. So that's my thing. Like, you lose trust in your dating relationship, just end it. Trust yourself. Move on until you can find somebody you can trust. And in my opinion, the older you get, the easier it gets. Because my girl is my high school sweetheart. We broke up back in high school. She went through her thing, I went through my thing. We got into our mid-30s and got back together. I'm currently 37. We got together when I was 33. The end of my 30s. So this will be going on year 4 here that we've been together. We're raising a 7-year-old right now. He's 7. It is her kid, but the stipulation behind his father, he'll never know his father, so I'm the father figure. And I'm like, here to make a standing video, I start talking about my personal life. So yeah, I'm being the best father figure that I could be. And when you're raising a kid together and being serious about it, that's your main focal point. It's the kid's happiness. It kind of trumps your happiness, you know. Like, I'm happy, my kid's happy. And I think any parent who gives a crap about their kid will tell you that if their kid's not happy, then they're not happy. And I love my son so much. Called me dad. So that's what I strive to be every day, the best father and husband. So, bam, we're all sanded. I just gotta make the sides look nice and cleaned up. You know, maybe press minus, you get full power. This is for my woodshop teacher. I'm gonna tell him to send my girl home with a grade. Grade me. I never got bad grades in his class. I really enjoyed woodworking. I might have got a B here or there, but they were mostly like A's, not perfect A's, but basically, if you put in effort in his class, you're only getting a bad grade. Some of my projects were like, yeah, that's a really bland project, but he wouldn't grade you bad if you put in the effort. He's a really cool guy. I really enjoyed his class. He was one of the cooler teachers. But, you know, all right, if anybody watched my sanding video, thanks for hanging out and this beautiful Sunday morning. Praise God, right? On God's day, God's glorious day. Got lots of snow. You know, if you're doing something you love, you'll go above and beyond and just do it. I mean, it's cold outside. I don't want to get sawdust kicked up out because it's not good to be breathing that stuff in. So I just like to do my sanding outside. And so, yeah, if you stuck around this long, thank you very much. If you have kids in your life, be the active adult. Best thing you do for a child is be an active adult. If you make mistakes, learn from them. Take it as a learning experience. And remember, in the cold, the scarf's the way to go. All right, thanks everybody. I hope you have a great day.